live from Washington Square Park.
Yo, what's up, Noah? You know what it is? What's up?
So this is the aftermath of the blizzard of 2015 that didn't really happen in New York City. Super fun. The biggest blizzard in history. Describe to me what's happening.
I'm getting really cold and really wet.
But we're making a snowman.
Actually, it's really good. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I like snow on it.
No, Bob! Bob, no! Like Timothy! I can't do this life anymore. I'm in debt. And I'm white.
Oh no!